Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat login error c14a. If you're encountering Snapchat login error c14a, it typically indicates a temporary issue with the app or a problem with your account. Here are some steps you can try to resolve it. First, restart your app. First, open your Snapchat app and then close like this. And after that, sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Or you could also try checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue still resolves. And you could also try updating your Snapchat. Go to your Play Store, look out for the Snapchat app. Select the first option of Snapchat, tap on this, and make sure you are using the latest version of the app installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve login issue. Also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device can fix temporary issues with app. Try restarting your phone and then opening Snapchat again. Or if the problem still persists, then try also clearing the Snapchat cache. Go back and on the press the Snapchat app like this, go to the app information, select storage and cache, and in the bottom clear cache option is showing. Simply tap on that. And if none of the above steps work, also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. This can sometimes fix persistent issue which is on the bottom right over here. Simply you can keep the 10% MB of the app data like this, or if you do not prefer that, tap back again and select the OK option. And this is how you can fix the Snapchat login error C14a. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.